Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So not too long ago, I had done a tarot reading for people who are giving their examinations, whether it be competitive examinations or board examinations or entrances, and it is one of my most well received videos. So thank you so very much. I'm very grateful. And yeah, I think today is going to be somewhat in the same lines. I am seeing quite a few changes that have happened recently in the exam scene, as we know that some people, not some, but everybody is re-giving their NEET examination. But this is not only going to be for those people. This is also going to be for those people who are giving their UPSC or any examinations that are upcoming for you in this time period. Although this is a timeless reading, but yes, a lot of you guys were asking me to make this video. So many requests have been piling onto me. So I think it was high time that I would do this tarot reading. So yeah, this is going to be for you. Please, before I begin, just like, comment, claim a good energy from this video, because I really try. I was about to go to sleep, so I'm wearing my night clothes, but I was like, no, I think I need to make this video. I was feeling really called to it. So yeah, this is what it is going to be. So please do that energy exchange for me. Please subscribe. We are very close. We are just 1,000 subscribers less to hitting 10,000 subscribers. So please do subscribe. A lot of you do not. So I will really love that energy exchange, and do hype this video, and subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and yeah, let's just go ahead with it. So this is going to be again a pick a pile, and we will be covering like how your preparations are, or slash how your examination went, because I also want to cover people who already have given their examinations. So just this is going to be slightly like this ki thoda I'll be covering for those people who have already given examinations, while also how you're preparing. And then simply we're going to check what you need to do, what's the approach like, what should you keep in mind, etc. And then with my dice divination, we are going to check yes or no whether you're going to clear it or not. So I always use this. It comes very handy. So this is the key to your questions, which is, am I going to crack it, right? So as you know, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. Whatever it is, it is. So a lot of people, what they do is they, say that, I unclaim all the negative energy, which you can do. It's not a problem. But, what it does to us as tarot readers, it kind of makes us feel like, okay, then do we only want to tell good things, So just be supportive. Whatever is negative, don't take it as a negative energy. Take it as a lesson. That is what we are trying to tell you. We are trying to give you the most honest, at least I am trying to give you the most honest, transparent advice, which is going to be for your benefit. So if you're going to be very dismissive about it, then it's going to be a problem, right? So don't be dismissive. Accept the learnings that are coming to you and claim the positive energy. That is how we are going to act in this tarot reading, right? So without any further delay, we are going to be picking up two piles. This is not going to be very detailed reading. It's going to be slightly shorter. अब पता नहीं कितना शॉर्ट होगा, but yeah, it's not going to be very detailed, because I have already done a very lengthy reading in my recent videos. I will link it down below, or there will be some kind of a link here somewhere, so you can just click on it and watch that as well. So this is going to be just a energy, like a recheck kind of a thing. Okay, so yeah, this is two piles for you. So pick a pile reading. This one is pile number 1, pile number 2. This is Tiger's Eye. This is jade. Very nice crystals. And you can choose one. Be intuitive, obviously. You can pause this video, or I'll keep shut for 5 seconds. So I hope you guys have chosen properly. Use your intuition. Connect with what feels called to you. Use your meditative powers. So I hope you guys have chosen pile number 1, pile number 2. Okay, so let's go. All right, so people who have chosen pile number 1, this is the Tiger's Eye. This is going to be your tarot reading, where we're going to see a check-in of how your examinations will go, what your preparation is like, what is going on in your mind. All of it is going to happen. So right off the bat, I think that people who have chosen pile number 1 are very fearful. Too much fear is there. Obviously, everybody's fearful of their examinations, but you are having sleepless nights. Almost nightmarish energy is coming in. In fact, people who have already given their examinations could not sleep even after giving that examination. Like, could not even rest. Sometimes kya hota hai ki aap examination de dete ho, and then you're like, okay, chill, now I can enjoy. That didn't happen with you. You were still kind of restless. You were still feeling like, okay, I don't think I've given my best, or there is still some kind of a frisky energy that you were getting. So I do believe that there were places where you were either fearful before giving the examinations, or are fearful while preparing also. So people who are already in the cycle of giving their examinations, or are yet to give examinations, you're very fearful. And I think this is a reminder for you guys that if you are going to be fearful, then that is a distraction. अगर आप डर डर के examination दोगे, then you're already in a chaotic zone. Your mind is already trying to find a place where it can feel safe. So will your mind focus on being safe, or will your mind focus on giving accurate answers? So I really want you guys to understand that this fear, it's kind of like, see, having little bit of stress is okay. Fear as a friction is very important, and I think I mentioned that in the previous video also, that अगर आपको थोड़ा सा एक overwhelming energy है, if you're feeling a sense of if you're feeling a sense of discomfort, that's good, because that is important, because it only goes to show how much you care about this examination. But if you're being frantic, in that frantic process, your mind is going to be in chaos. You're going to read or learn things that are in complete chaotic energies. Your preparation will be very half-hearted. It will be very half, like you're not going to be doing anything in the most correct way. Okay, it is only going to be like you're skipping up certain topics, you're looking at certain topics and they are scaring you. मतलब difficult topics are almost scaring you. It's like that kind of an energy कि आपको डर लग रहा है कि यार ये topic बहुत complicated है, ये मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. So that is the energy that is happening, that I can see happening also with you guys right away. Like even people who have already given their examinations, you are very fearful of certain questions or certain places where you're like, I think I have maybe given a wrong attempt, or I have not given the right answer or something of that sorts, and I hope that doesn't pull me down. So there are certain places where certain things are actually scary for you, like certain topics or certain places or certain subjects are genuinely scaring you from within, which is something that you need to work on. So again, like, because I'm saying this, automatically the advice is to overcome it, है ना. The automatic advice is to, अगर fear है तो उसको overcome करने की जरूरत है, right? So that is what I can see right off the bat. I also feel like some of you are having a lot of, I don't know, like restlessness. Let me actually channelize this energy. What am I feeling right now? Like a numbness. I'm feeling very numb on my right hand, right leg also. Like numbness, pain, हाथ दर्द हो रहे हैं आपके, like maybe you're writing a lot and your hand is really, really paining, or you accidentally hit your hand somewhere, accidentally hit your foot somewhere, and it's like really painful. I'm also smelling like burnt smell. So maybe like you burnt your finger while cooking something, like burnt smell मेरे को बहुत strongly आ रही है. Yeah, some kind of a pungent burnt smell or something of that sort. So maybe some of you have just recently given your practicals also, तो practical में pungent smell आ रही होगी. I don't know, I'm getting that energy. Or maybe you have not really taken care of your body and it's literally like stinking now. You're like literally stinking because you're not taking a bath, or you're not keeping yourself hygienic. Sorry, but this is what I'm getting. You're very unkempt. You're looking a little dirty. आप थोड़ा dirt के around हो. Maybe you're not, like when I say dirt, I don't mean literally dirt. I don't think that you're caring enough to take care of your body, and you're not having a good routine maybe. So that sense of stuck energy is what I can see in the form of dirt and unkempt energies. Yeah, that is what I'm getting. Yeah, I'm also seeing some kind of a, like I'm seeing some kind of mountains, so like some kind of ups and downs. Like while preparing also, you are having like a up highs and flows. कभी कभी बहुत ही अच्छी पढ़ाई हो रही है या हो रही थी, and कभी कभी there was a complete drop, complete doubt, complete nonsensical things you were doing, and completely like you're not in touch with your studies. Or maybe there has been a gap while studying also, or maybe there was like a good amount of hard work that you were doing, and suddenly there was some kind of an event or something, some shadi happened, some birthday thing happened, and there was a cut of like 2-3 days of studying, and that ruined your momentum. So up and down in studies is what I can see with that mountain. I see greenery around, or maybe like, I don't know, you guys like nature or something. That is what I'm seeing. So yeah, that is what I can also feel a sense of, I don't know. Yeah, so that is what is coming to me. Let's see now. Let's see how your preparations are like, and what you need to know. Actually, I'll check from this deck. How your preparations are like, or how your examination went, or what kind of zone you're in right now. What is it in your mind? And then, of course, we're going to see, what is the advice for you. What kind of a zone you're in. Abhi dekhte hain, okay? What kind of a zone you're in currently. What? So what kind of a, ouch. I accidentally hurt this finger. That's why I'm like, it's so painful. And I'm really wearing extensions, so it's hurting me even more. Okay, let's see. I'm going to get this removed actually. So let's see. what kind of a zone you're in. Nervous. Yeah. I mean, there is no two ways about it. You are very, very nervous. I'm getting an energy where you are actually like people who are already getting to hear that they have to give their examinations. You guys are really nervous because it's not. It's like that entire feeling of preparing and those 3 4 days of torture. It's like haunting you back, and you almost thought कि ठीक है ये over हो गया है whatever, and now it's coming back, and now it's coming multiple folds. मतलब initially you were not knowing what you were signing up for, and whenever something happens ki acha you have already been through it, the next time you're going through it, it becomes like, okay, now I understand how it is. For you it's different. For you it's like, oh my god, I have to go through it again. Nervousness is kicking in because that kind of a feeling is very daunting. Like you're feeling really disgusted also. Like I feel like some of you, I don't know, are like really feeling disgusted with the idea that okay, again I have to give this. Like you're actually not just nervous, disappointed, whatever. You're like you're getting irritated, like disgust with the way things have happened. Especially this is for people who are giving their NEET examinations again. Like you're like really disgusted with the system, with the way things are, with the way things have unfolded. You feel very cheated on. You feel betrayed. Even for the people who are giving their examinations and for the first time, you're feeling very disgusted with the way things are around you, like the way people are reacting around you, with the way faculty is acting with you, with the way coaching companies are acting with you. It's almost feeling like this is not how you were planning to give your examinations, and it's almost making you feel even more nervous. And you are almost thinking, yeah, this is my lonely journey. मतलब nobody cares about me. Everybody, वो सब लोग selfish हो रहे हैं, सब अपना अपना देख रहे हैं. In the process of my giving the examination, everybody is looking out for themselves. So you are thinking that okay, this is only my soul journey, and this is my own path that I only have to tread. Like you're also feeling like there's no help around you. जाऊं तो जाऊं कहाँ, किसकी हेल्प लूँ, किसकी मदद लूँ. So you're almost feeling that kind of a loneliness and that kind of a disgust with people, how they are thinking, and how they are responding to you and to your preparation. Nobody's understanding you. Nobody's being empathetic towards you. Everybody is trying to be logical with you right now, or everybody is putting extra burden on you, especially people who already are who are already giving examinations again. Okay, you are feeling like the moment this re-NEET thing happened, most of the people around you were like rejoicing, and they were thinking that okay, you got another chance, or maybe your parents rejoiced, or maybe people around you were like, yay, great, awesome. But they don't understand the kind of hard shit that you have gone through, the kind of literal mental baggages that have come onto your shoulders. Nobody understands that. Everybody understands okay, you've got a second chance. Great, yes, maybe it is a second chance for a lot of you, but it's also like going through the same journey of showing that resilience, showing that patience, and literally being overwhelmed. And that overwhelm is something that nobody's understanding. So you are feeling very disgusted with the way people are reacting. It's not a good thing that you are having to redo this examination when you're prepared for so long. So that is what I'm seeing. Like your energies right now are very, like you are not feeling good. It's that, like, even with the people who are preparing, there is some kind of confidence that was there earlier, and as and when time is progressing, you're feeling even more scared. ऐसा लग रहा है और भी prepare नहीं करा है. And somewhere that disgust feeling is also within yourself. Maybe you are feeling like यार मैं ढंग से पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. It's almost like यार मेरे दिमाग में जाग घुस क्यों नहीं रहा है. मतलब sometimes you get irritated with your own self, and you're like, why I'm not able to understand, how is this simple thing not going in my brain. So yeah, sometimes brain is also shutting off. Like I feel like there are places where you also feel a sense of dejection, irritation from your own self, because you have maybe very high expectations from yourself, or you think that okay, this is something that was so easy for me maybe 6 months back or 7 months back, or when I was getting taught this, अब मेरे को वापस पढ़ने को मिल रहा है, and I'm not able to understand. So the same topics that you were very confident about earlier, अब आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, और they are kind of betraying you. So you're just like, भाई ऐसा हुआ तो फिर how will I score well? So that is what is happening. So yeah, let's see what else. Let's see what else is there, how your preparations are going, or how your examination went. Let's see. Pile number 1, Tiger's Eye. Can you see that? And I said nightmares. Remember, I said the word nightmares. you trying to sleep but you getting nightmares. अब तो मैं सरप्राइज भी नहीं हूँ. वही. Yeah, I feel like you guys, your preparation is like, I will say this, right? You did good. You are doing good. You are trying your best. But your nervous system, your mental system, your mental logical system is giving up on you. आप जितना प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो उतना आपको अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस फील हो रहा है. एंड ऑनेस्टली फ्रॉम अ overall perspective, you're giving your best, you're very passionate, you're very dedicated, you're really genuinely giving a honest try. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि you're not giving your honest try, ऐसा नहीं है that you don't have the capability of doing well. Your mental faculties are the reason why you'll not be able to crack. Honestly, it's the only your own limbic system, your monkey mind, your unnecessary stress that you're taking, which is somewhere not even unnecessary, but आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. आप अपना बहुत अच्छा दे रहे हो. You're giving your best, you're passionate, you're dedicated, you're working under motivation. Even when you are giving examinations, I am 100% sure people who are already giving you examinations, आपको आते थे कुछ topics, but आप नहीं दे पाया, नहीं correctly आपने answer किए because you were so doubtful about that answer. You were so doubtful. You were so questioning yourself. You were like, maybe this is right or this is right, and there was a lack of confidence, severe lack of confidence, severe feeling of. I also feel like there are so many other stresses that you're taking. Maybe stress of I don't know, like there are so many other things that you're worrying about, which is also the reason. मतलब उस दिन, but the worry was not only about the examination. There were multiple worries that were around you. So it's like, yeah, you could have like really done so well. But you have done well. I would say that you are preparing well. You are having the kind of understanding of things. There is nervousness and a sense of dejection, but at the same time, I can see sincerity. Like that's the word for you. You guys are very sincere. You guys are actually honest. You guys actually show up. मतलब बिल्कुल भी ऐसा फीलिंग नहीं है where you're procrastinating. मैंने वो word use करा. Never ever. You're not procrastinating. You really care too much about this examination, and that's the problem. I'm not saying not to care, but at a level where it almost becomes like a chaos, where you are really not able to focus also, and you're not relaxing yourself. It's becoming a burden, it's becoming a stress. That energy of you giving a good examination is now a monster in front of you. आप एक monster से deal कर रहे हो. वो examination which you feel like okay is going to be opening doors for me is now giving you a sense of like I'm entering enemy territory. आप समझ रहे हो? तो what kind of a zone are you in? You know? And again, like with the cards, I can see your preparation is really good and you are very sincere. I can see parental support coming to you very strongly. I think your parents, loved ones, they are very much going to support you. There is a sense of support, but at the same time, their support is not going to be translated in the way that you would want it to. Unka support ऐसे आएगा कि हाँ we are there for you, but they will not understand what you're going through, right? So like I understand your prerogative, your situation right now, because your people around you wish you well. अपना अपना सोच रहे हैं वो. मैं तो बोलूंगी कि सेल्फिश एनर्जी है यहाँ पे, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट देयर इज ऑल्सो एन एनर्जी वेयर दे ओनली आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर यू. They are trying, and even if you did not get support earlier or you were feeling disgusted earlier, right now I can see that there will be a shift when the moment you're able to actually restart or redo your attempts or give a genuine shot, and if you genuinely open up to people around you. देखो ये वाला एंग्जाइटी का एनर्जी होता है. आप अपनी एंग्जाइटी बोलो तो आप बोल भी नहीं पाते हो. You don't express anything to anybody. सबको चीज़ें अपने अंदर रखते हो. So if you don't open up and if you don't tell people like, listen, I feel like you are adding on to my burden, then how will the other person realize and how will the other person understand? So you have to be able to also open up and emotionally express yourself. You know, you cannot be a person who just takes on shit. You have to be able to externalize your energies and be able to vocalize what you're feeling. I feel like there is a lack of groundedness for sure, because you are more emotional in the approach and less smart. And when I say smart, I don't mean like, okay, you're not strategizing. You are strategizing. You have a timetable, you have a flow chart, wo sab hai. But there's a sense of disbalance and a sense of, I would say, you know, you're in muddy waters. You're preparing very well, but it's so emotional that you're losing out on the reality of life, or you're losing out on the reality of the examination. कि क्यों दे रहे हो आप examination? आप इतना घुस चुके हो, इतनी emotionally involved हो चुके हो that your entire identity has now become this examination. कि भाई अगर ये examination मैंने crack करा तो ही मैं एक अच्छा लड़का अच्छी लड़की हूँ, या तो ही मैं एक successful person or person हूँ. और अगर मैंने क्रैक नहीं करा, सो आई एम अ लूजर, आई हैव नो विल, आई शुडंट बी doing anything. मतलब it's become so ingrained in every little act of yours that it's not a good thing right now. अभी अभी ऐसा हो रहा है कि आप एकदम ही फ्यूज हो चुके हो with this energy, बहुत ही इमोशनल हो गए हो, इमोशनली ब्लाइंडेड हो चुके हो because of this. So this emotional blinded energy now will make you, your mind will be focusing on this only. Ouch. Your mind will be focusing on this only. कि I'm so emotionally invested in it, so emotionally invested in it. आप कितना रोए हो भाई आप. I'm 100% sure after this reattempt answer that has come to you guys have cried first. And even while preparing, you're sweating, you're crying, you are actually losing out so much body fluids. You are, I think, going to the washroom a lot of times a day. So, sorry, that just made no sense, but you get what I'm saying, right? आप इतने ज़्यादा nervous हो गए हो. You're freaking out. And that energy of freaking out is right in the middle of the two cards like that are there. So even if the good things are happening on you, like I'm sure that you might not even give importance to the things that you're doing well. You're focusing more on things that are not going good for you, that you're not working out on, or that is not working for you. या जहाँ पे failures हैं वहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा focus कर रहे हो, जहाँ पे good energies हैं वहाँ पे आप focus नहीं कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे attention नहीं जा रहा है. So again, like, I want you guys to be very, very attentive and aware of what is happening around you, but I don't want it to gossify so much that it almost chokes you up. It's becoming like a thing where now your entire life depends upon it. ये correct चीज़ नहीं है, because this is a wrong approach. ये approach ही गलत है. ये approach आपको बिल्कुल अच्छे exams आपकी फेल हो जाएंगे अगर आप ऐसा approach रखोगे. You have to be able to find that kind of balance. Okay, so that is what is coming to me. Now let's see what you should be doing. What is the advice for you? So let's see what is the advice for you. Let's see what is the advice for you. Okay, this card kind of jumped, so I want to take this out. Like, my first advice to you, like what I see right in front of me, is that cut the crap, cut the chaos. ये जो chaos है ना, उसको cut करो. And very important, it's like you have to be able to first just listen to yourself. Listening to yourself. Okay, what is it that my body wants to tell me? What is it that my mind wants to tell me? What is it that my emotions want to tell me? मुझे अभी focus क्या करने की जरूरत है? Do I need to focus on taking a step back and relaxing and taking a break and then coming back? Or do I need to focus on just being like simple with my approach towards my examination? Or do I need to lock in? Listen to yourself. I think that there is a lot of chaos around you and you need to cut it. That's the first thing that is coming to me. Second thing, very important advice, is that to put yourself again, like, before it even gets, I'll make you understand. You are nervous about the fact that you have to give this reattempt. You have to, give another examination and all of that. You are nervous. So what can you do is, right abhi se hi na, put yourself in that pressure zone, so that आगे चल के आपको pressure feel ही नहीं होगा. What are you scared about? You're scared about, okay, again giving that attempt, or giving that attempt in general, like for the people who are giving the examination for the first time. What you're worried about is that environment of like studying, and like so many people are there, and you having to approach that examination and sitting with that pen and paper and giving that question paper. Why don't you create a similar environment right now only? ऐसा environment बनाओ अपने आप के लिए कि almost up again you're giving that examination. So literally my advice to you is, have somebody around you, maybe a parent or maybe a friend, who can literally make that environment around ki, okay, I'm going to give you a question paper and you have to write that answer in X amount of minutes, and if you don't attempt all of them, I'll snatch the paper. Like, you have to really create that kind of a pseudo environment. Matlab, you're not literally giving an examination, but you're creating that environment. So being in that energy right now will make you feel slightly less burdened when you give that attempt later on. And really do try it, but actually have a parent as an invigilator, and let them be that kind of strict person who will not let you see your notes, and you have to sit without your phone, you have to sit without any help, and you're getting that question paper. Maybe you're also getting OMR sheet or whatever sheet you have to write in, and you only have that kind of time limit, and the moment you skip that time limit, the question will be taken away. And then ask your parent only to check, or whatever. Maybe you can check honestly, be honest with it. So what is happening here is, you're already creating that competitive environment around you, so that later on when you are giving that examination, when you're 1 day 2 day before it, you will not be so frantic, because you already are preparing yourself in that zone. And you have to create that environment properly, matlab you have to have other person getting involved and वो सब करना है, because I know that you are also attempting your examination papers, previous year question papers जो भी है, by yourself also, but you're not creating that bubble ना, you're not creating that tension वाली feeling. मेरे को आपको वो tension वाली feeling दिलानी है, क्योंकि आप अगर खुद पढ़ रहे हो, if you're studying by your own self, there is an accessibility of the notes. You can be like, अच्छा ये मुझे आता है, let me just see the answer. मतलब you might be doing this, right? So you might not be that honest when you're like studying by yourself. But when you have other people around you, literally your parents or your, you know, father, mother, jo bhi hai, like your friend also, maybe your sister, cousin, any relative, your, you know, siblings, they can literally be on that, you know, in that level, in that space, and they can look at you and you can be like, okay, I don't have anything around me, what do I do? And see how you're responding, right? So that is what my advice is for the people who are in pile number 1, how you can approach this examination. Okay, this is for everybody, whoever is, you know, giving whatever examination, even if it is a simple entrance test, वो environment आपको create करना चाहिए. Okay, that's the first thing. I also feel like you have to be very, very balanced in your approach. As I told you, if you're going to be very emotional, it's going to be a problem. I've got justice. You have to be logical. मतलब आपको यहाँ पे इस moment पे ये understand करना है कि जैसी मेरी preparation रहेगी वैसा ही मुझे result मिलेगा. No matter how much I care about this examination, no matter how much I'm obsessed with this subject, no matter how good of a smart person I am, if my hard work is not keeping up with it, as well as my intention towards that hard work, कि भाई मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ ये hard work, why am I doing it, why do I care enough? So remove that blindfold. Okay, you know, justice का कार्ड होता है कि वो एक lady होती है ना जो blindfold what was that, जो blindfold रखती है, she is the mic working? Yeah. She is the lady who literally has a blindfold on and she has a tarazu. And what I want you guys to do is to open that, you know, blindfold on and look at your hard work. Look at how much you are giving and taking and see where you stand. Genuinely see where you stand. So it's very important for you to be very realistic right now, very logical. Do not at all be emotional about certain things, because the more emotional you are, you're not going to be happy emotional. Let me tell you, you're going to be nervous emotional. You're not going to be excited emotional. You're going to be overwhelmed emotional. तो इससे अच्छा है कि आप इसको कट करो अपने लाइफ से and just focus on raw, pure, logical, practical, realistic energy that you're having. कि how am I doing right now? Okay, that's the first advice. The second advice is you have to train your mind. You have to train your brain. I believe that in the previous attempt, and I mentioned this before also, that आपको सब पता है लेकिन वो निकल नहीं पाया है. Maybe you are having a lot of knowledge, ये निकल नहीं पाया है, or while you're preparing, it's like a thing where you have a lot of knowledge but you're not able to get it recollected. So your memorization is bad. You need to memorize properly. You need to be able to train your mind, train your brain, and find a way in which you can actually keep things retained in your mind. So more focusing on memorization, brain training, understanding the subjects in a deeper manner. Justice is a very good study card. It's one of the best study cards to come in, because this actually talks about pure logical thinking. So you have to develop that. You have to develop that fiercely. Okay, so that is what is coming to me. Anything else? Yeah, I do believe that you'll have to really start from scratch. People who are reattempting their examination, or just people who are preparing, I need you guys to redo it. Matlab, I don't think that right now, with the way your approach is or whatever it is enough. And I also feel like you're at a juncture where आपको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कहाँ से पढ़ो, क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ क्या करूँ, तो from scratch पढ़ो. I think you have maybe few couple of days or whatever months, whatever, जितना भी है, start from scratch. You have to start from scratch. You have to start from your foundations, because this is something that is not the way you're preparing. It's not the right way. You have to find a different mechanism to study. जहाँ से अभी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, it's kind of very, very, I would say, one tone, one dimension, and very mediocre. No offense, but it is. आपकी preparation आपसे बहुत मतलब, like your preparation is very, I would say, outdated. So you need to restart and rebuild yourself again. Like if people are reattempting their examination, भाई आपको एक और बार starting से पढ़ना पड़ेगा, पूरा from scratch पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Please don't think that this is something that you can do very like, हाँ ठीक है, okay, this I know. ये नहीं कर सकते आप, ये नहीं हो सकता है, because you don't know, you have forgotten about it. And again, people who are giving the examinations for the first time, you need to do it, because your preparation is very outdated. People are preparing very, very, very uniquely, and I think that you need to focus on having a correct foundational understanding. आपकी foundations weak हैं, आपके basics ठीक नहीं है, आपको अपने basics ठीक करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, you have to fix your basics properly. Okay, anything else? I think if you're a woman, then stay away from boys, honestly. Like, stay away from any kind of a masculine energy. And I'm not saying masculine in terms of like father or something, but just boy problems, unse dur raho. I'm getting an energy where there is a lot of like you're contradicting yourself a lot, and I think that you need to stop doing that. Apne aap ka dushman banna band karo. Like, don't be an enemy for yourself. If you're feeling like, okay, you are not doing enough, then don't double down on it. It's okay, it happens. Like, I feel like you're very, very, very critical of yourself, too critical, too very, very critical of yourself. And even if you're doing well, you don't give yourself that kind of a like pat on the back. I think you need to kind of pat yourself and tell yourself that, dude, this is not easy. This is one of the most difficult, examinations or whatever. Like, no matter where you are, what kind of a position you're in, you have to give yourself some kind of leeway. You cannot be so self critical. देखो आपका क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि आप self critical हो, ठीक है, but आप emotional हो. So it's like both the energies are extremes. You're over emotional or you're self critical on another level. You have to be in the middle. Justice balance का कार्ड होता है. Libra energy, balancing scales. So you cannot be overly emotional and completely like rigid and like, oh, I'm gonna kill you. Like, you can't even be like that. You have to be very like balanced. You get it? So that is what is coming to me. Let's see lastly what is the what is the additional advice coming to you, and then we're going to check whether you're going to clear the examination or not with my dice. Yeah, tension lingers. मैंने क्या कहा था? Your tension is lingering. Calm before the storm. Like, I'm really feeling that you need to be calm because storm तो होने ही वाला. You're going to feel the tension. You're going to feel that nervousness. So being in that tension perpetually is bad. Just remain calm a little bit. Repeating numbers, if you see any repeating numbers, and guys, when I say repeating numbers, I mean like accidentally, coincidentally. Not you putting an alarm at 1111 and saying that, okay, I'm seeing 1111, right? Genuinely, coincidentally seeing it, okay? And maybe like, keep like comment on the comment section, like YouTube comment section right now, what are you seeing or what did you see? So if you're seeing repeated numbers, angel numbers, whatever it is a sign. It is a sign that you're going to do well. So if you're seeing repeating numbers, or if you're seeing, don't say that, okay, I believe in this number. No, if you're seeing, only if you accidentally see while preparing something, you see repeating numbers, okay, like 222, 333, 444, whatever, or 1212, anything of that sorts, only then that means that this is a sign for you that you're going to do very, very well, okay? So repeating number, if they appear, then that means that you're doing very, very well, okay? Or you are going to be able to crack. Anything else? Yeah, misalignment will show. मैंने क्या कहा था कि if your body, mind and soul are not aligned towards this examination, it will show in your results. Exactly what the justice card says कि as you sow, so you reap. मतलब अगर आप ढंग से नहीं पढ़ाई करोगे and genuinely balance में नहीं दिखाओगे, तो आपके results वो दिखाएंगे. So आपके results are directly correlating. There's no energy of anybody deceiving you or somebody trying to be able to outsmart you or the system trying to be corrupt with you. No, it's only your hard work and your energies. And if you are giving good energies, and if you're pushing yourself in the right manner, if you're preparing in the right manner, if you're not being foolish, you will get that result. You will get that result 100%. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. So now let's see whether you're going to be able to crack this examination or not. So I'm just going to roll my dice. Pile number 1 is for you. Whatever it is coming to me, I'll say. Let's see. You got a 5. Good luck. Luck is with you for sure. This is a sign that luck is in your favor. 5 number is a very good energy. It only goes to show that you are having luck by your side. अभी मैंने बोला कि maybe you are not having luck, but now looks like luck is in your favor. The reason why luck is in your favor is because fortune favors the brave. So if you are gonna be brave, then fortune will favor you. Fortune doesn't favor random people. Fortune favors those people who are ready to take that hit and ready to take that jump, which I believe that you are ready to do. So I definitely feel like you will have luck in your favor. You are going to be able to genuinely meet like your energies with the luck factor that is coming to you, like the hard work that you're doing equaling to the luck energy that is with you, the fortune that is going to be with you, the kismat that is going to be with you is going to be in your favor. Looks good. And I do believe that this is something that you will be able to tackle very easily. कुछ नहीं है, बिल्कुल, it's all in your mind, it's all here. You are doing very well. I've gotten very good cards. आपकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी है. आपका अप्रोच आपको ठीक करना है, बस. प्रिपरेशन सॉलिड है, कैपेबिलिटी सॉलिड है, इंटेंशन अच्छा है, इंटेंशन ठीक करना है आपको. एंड द पोटेंशियलिटी ऑफ योर्स इज top notch. Very, very nice energies. Just you need to control and work towards mental mechanics, right? So yeah, that is what it is, guys. I hope I was able to help you. Yes, this was slightly shorter because I don't think that I need to dive too much deep into it. मुझे लगता है कि I think this is enough of information. What you now need to do is stop watching tarot and stop watching YouTube and get back to studying. And yeah, let me know if this helped. Let me know if this resonated. Definitely like this video. And you know, comment whatever you liked about it. Let me know what you want to watch next after examination. And yeah, subscribe to my channel because I really want to hit that 10,000 subscribers, and only you can help me do it. And yeah, hype this video if this made sense, and let other people also get the same help. And share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye. All right, so people who have opted for pile number 2, which is Jade Crystal, this is going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see how your examinations will go and what you need to know, what your preparation, what is it that you need to focus on, everything about that. And yeah, we are going to be tapping into that energy, and it's going to be very important. So definitely watch this video properly. Right off the bat, I feel like a lot of you guys are feeling very calm. I can see calmness. I think that you guys are having a sense of I will not say, like, even if the examination hasn't gone well or if your preparations are not going in that level, you guys are being a bigger person. You're like, it's okay, I'll do it. There's a sense of like trusting yourself, having faith in yourself. You're not being your enemy, which is very important. I do believe that there is a sense of groundedness that I can see. And you are, you're not being, like, even if this examination this is for people who are having to re-give their examinations, you're not wanting to blame anybody. You're accepting ki, okay, this is something that has happened. I'm going to be the bigger person and I'm going to do what I need to do. Instead of me reacting and overreacting and, you know, going here and there and being frantic about it, I need to do what I need to do. So you are kind of in that zone ki, yaar, I'm going to be aware about what is happening. Yeah, I get it. It was unfortunate. But abhi mere haath mein kuch nahi hai and I have to do what I'm supposed to be doing. I think that approach is very good. Even for people who are giving the examinations for the first time, you are understanding that there is a lot that is on your plate and you are trying to be able to ensure that you are able to give your best attempt in your capability. Agar ho pata hai, great. Agar nahi ho pata hai, to I'm not going to hit my head about it, which is a very good approach to have. So right off the bat, I can see good energies for you. Let's see what else is happening. How else are you feeling? What is the feeling that you're getting right now? Let's see. So let's see what is the feeling that you're having. Pile number 2, Jade people. But it's not like you guys are, I don't see scattered energy. I see grounded energy. I see not too grounded also, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा relaxation ज़्यादा हो रहा है. But I don't see you becoming extremely hyper about certain things, which is very important. At least hyper तो नहीं हो. But हाँ, थोड़ा सा I can see a sense of you know, a little bit of too much of like taking things for taking it easy, taking it too easy. मतलब ये मुझे energy आ रही है. Let's see if I'm actually right, or is it something that I'm only getting. Let's see how else are you feeling. Actually, you guys are also nervous, so maybe this is a mask. Or maybe I'm wrong. Okay, let's see. Frustrated, okay. Yeah, I think this is a mask then. I feel like this kind of an energy which you are having, ki, okay, I am going to be the bigger person. It's like internally you are very frustrated, but you're like, abhi kya kar sakta hu, you know? You guys are people who are very patient, I think. You guys are people who are very patient, and you hate asking people for help. You hate asking people for help. You hate expressing your emotion. You hate being the person who is in pain. Matlab, you will never tell people that you're in pain. You will never let people think or let people give you sympathy. So that's why you are trying to be the bigger person. And the reason why you're trying to be the bigger person is because somebody is being smaller around you, or some situation is happening which is smaller around you, and you're like, I'll let it go. I'll let it slide. ठीक है, जो है वो है. You know, I think that you guys have recently had a big fallout with somebody, and in that process also you were feeling very frustrated, but you were a bigger person because you're like, look, I have other shit to deal with. I have my examination coming up. I can't lose my brain cells over this problem. So I also feel like that bigger person energy could come through that. What am I feeling from a bodily sensation? Let me see. I can see eyes are like twitching. Maybe your eyes is twitching a lot, or maybe your eyes are watering a lot. बहुत easily water होते हैं. Maybe you guys are wearing spectacles. This lady is also wearing spectacles. I can sense like hardness around you. Like either when you're sitting in your examination, or I don't know, when you're sitting to study, you're not having a comfortable sitting position. Your sitting position is very discomforting. Ab dhang se, like your posture is bad, or sitting is not very comfortable. Your back is hurting because of it. So you need to fix your studying area. It's very, very discomforting. You need to be in comfortable position is what I can see. So when I am looking at these cards, right, I am getting an energy where there's a mask that you're wearing, that you are not nervous, but you are a little nervous, but you are kind of, playing tricks with your mind ki nahi ho jayega, ho jayega, ho jayega, it's okay. I need to breathe in, breathe out. Matlab, you're trying your level best to not let yourself get like frustrated. You're trying your level best to not get yourself nervous, which is a good thing, but you are feeling really, really nervous, and you're definitely feeling frustrated as well. Frustrated, why? I do definitely feel like that frustration is also coming from a place of knowing that you are preparing very well, but still there are places where you have to be able to give more, you have to do more. So that frustration is there, that you still have to kind of, it's still not satisfying. Like your preparation, you're feeling it's not very satisfactory. So that is why you're like, okay, I need to do more, I need to push, और करना है. मतलब you are like that kind of person ki theek hai, I'm taking it easy, I want to chill, I want to be able to not freak out too much, but I also don't want to be a person who's not being lackluster. And you are a perfectionist, you look at things in a very perfect sense. You are people who really, if you have decided कि ठीक है मुझे examination देना है, तो मुझे properly examination देना है. I want to clear it with full marks. I think you guys are prodigies also. Maybe you are people who are really like ambitious, very like people, you if you want to score, you want to score a good rank. Otherwise you're like nahi, mujhe nahi chahiye. I don't want mediocrity, I don't want average marks, I don't want, like, say suppose people are giving the NEET examinations, I don't want a private college. I want a government college only. I want to be able to get into my aims and all that. So that is what the approach is. Like, even if you're, say suppose, preparing for board examinations, you are not okay with getting like 80% or 85%, 88%, which is pretty good. You are like 90% आना चाहिए, 90 plus आना चाहिए, 95 plus आना चाहिए. मुझे तो DOE जाना है, मुझे तो SRCC जाना है, I have to go to, I don't know, St. Stephen's होता था हमारे टाइम पे, St. Stephen's जाना है, LSR जाना है, मुझे यही चाहिए. मतलब I don't want any, like, you guys are not wanting to go to private institutions is what I'm getting. Okay, now let's see how your preparation is going. Should I take out that? Let's see this deck. How your preparation is going, or how did that examination go? Let's look at that. Let's see. Pile number 2 people who opted for Jade. Bhai, right off the bat, this card has fallen. You're very ambitious. Bhai, आजकल तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि मैं जो बोल रही हूँ कार्ड निकल रहा है. You know, ambition है. You guys are controlling, like you're having a very controlled approach. Some of you, your examinations actually went well also. Some of your people, your examinations actually went well also. 8 of Wands, bhai. You guys are feeling very positive, which I'm loving. There is like a feeling of nervousness and frustration. Why? Because you don't know what is the result. Like, the only reason why you're feeling nervous and frustration is because you're like scared about the result. You're not scared or worried about your preparation. You're not frustrated about your preparation. You're scared and nervous ki yaar, it's like, okay, I've given my best, but I don't want to be overconfident. Like, I don't, like, you're nervous, like with respect to that ki theek hai, I'm doing well, but result kya ho sakta hai? Like, maine to apna acha approach diya hai, I did well, but okay, what can be the result? Even people who are reattempting their examination, they're like, theek hai, it's okay, I know that I trust myself, I trust my abilities, but that sense of frustration is there ki okay, I have to redo this, but it's okay, I'm like, you are preparing well, and you know that if you have done it before, वापस आप ठीक कर लोगे. Like, you are having that trust within yourself. You are having that kind of a clarity of mind, which is very important. Previous pile people were having this issue that they were having very chaotic thoughts, and too much thoughts were happening. I don't see that happening at all. You guys are very streamlined. But the question at hand is, ki result kya aega? Well, see, all these wands are going in one direction, but we don't know where, na? That is you. You are going in one direction. I love that band, by the way, One Direction. You guys are going in one direction, but you don't know where you're gonna head. क्या आपको actually, like, मैं आपको assurance दे रही हूँ कि आपको अच्छा rank तो मिल ही जाएगा. But are you going into round 2? UPSC people, are you going to crack the, I don't know, GD or the personal interview? You can give a good written attempt, but will you get that? For people who are giving NEET, yeah, you're gonna get a good score, but is it worth enough for you to get a government college? आप समझ रहे हो? आपको अच्छा rank मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. People who are giving board examinations, yes, you're gonna do well, but are you gonna be a topper? Are you going to be one of those people who are gonna crack a very, very prestigious college, government college? Question mark. So, like, again, like, okay, you guys are always, like, I'm getting this very strongly, you guys are always studying 2 subjects at one time. एक दिन में 2 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहे हो, एक दिन में एक काम नहीं होता, एक दिन में 2 काम होते हैं. आइदर यूर स्टडी लाइक यूर थिंकिंग कि ओके ये भी टॉपिक कवर कर लूंगी, ये भी टॉपिक कवर कर लूंगी, ये भी टॉपिक कवर कर लूंगा, ये भी टॉपिक कवर करूंगा, या ये सब्जेक्ट कवर करूंगा, ये भी करूंगा. ये मत करो भाई. आप बहुत लाइक यू आर एक्चुअली ओवर एक्सटेंडिंग योर सेल्फ. लेट्स जस्ट पुट इट दैट वे. आप कुछ ज्यादा ही ओवर एक्सटेंड कर रहे हो, आप थोड़ा सा अपने आप पे गैम्बल कर रहे हो. आई नो यू कैन हैंडल इट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू कांट हैंडल इट, बट इट्स ओके इफ यू गोइंग वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. बहुत ज्यादा अगर आप करोगे ना मैनेज कि मुझे ये भी कवर करना है, ये भी कवर करना है, ये भी कर लेता हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट यू नो इट. मे बी यू आर हैविंग दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. आई कैन सी दैट काइंड ऑफ अ प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन. आई कैन सी ऑफ यू कि यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग वेरी वेल. बट आई थिंक दैट यू गेटिंग अ लिटिल टू अहेड ऑफ योर सेल्फ, विच यू शुडंट. अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, जैसे पढ़ाई करो वैसे पढ़ाई करो, ज्यादा ओवर एक्साइटेड मत हो जाओ. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू गेट टू अहेड ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड बी लाइक हाँ आई कैन डू दिस टॉपिक ऑल्सो, राइट. समवेयर आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक यू कॉन्स्टेंटली टेस्ट योरसेल्फ अ लॉट, विच इज वेरी गुड. इट्स वेरी गुड. यू पुश योरसेल्फ बिकॉज यू लाइक यार मेरे को रॉनेस नहीं चाहिए. आई वांट टू बी एबल टू लाइक I'll keep doing it, keep revising, which is very good. You're polishing your studies, which is actually the way it is supposed to be, you know. So that's very nice. I said at certain places the reason why you study 2 times is also because you don't know which subject to pick up. You're like आज कौन सा पढ़ाई करूँ, क्या पढ़ाई करूँ, so I'll do both of them. So that is also a place where you're a little indecisive with the way you're approaching your studies. So you're like I'll do everything. Like it's like you know that everything is important. So instead of going at it one day at a time, you're like I'll study everything. I'll study everything only. You know, so that is what I'm getting. Yeah, impressed. Nice energies. I definitely feel like you are feeling confident. You are not a person who is afraid. I also feel like there's a sense of calm, not calm, but you are having that kind of a, like, I think that when you study na, you feel more at ease. Like when you're not studying na, then you're very frantic. Then you're like, oh my God, how will I prepare? How will things go? Blah, blah, blah. आप पढ़ाई करने के लिए बैठते हो. Sorry. आप पढ़ाई करने के लिए बैठते हो and then you're like, okay, I understand what I'm doing wrong. I understand what is going right. I know what my preparation is, how my preparation is, etc., etc. Like, I feel like the study thing is coming to me very strongly when you are having your brain active, you're very calm. Otherwise, even when you're eating food or when you're, you know, watching something, you kind of feel guilty कि यार अभी मैं पढ़ाई कर सकता था, या अभी मैं you know, I could have been looking at this topic, that topic. So sometimes I also feel like even in your leisure time, even in your leisure time, you do something which has study in it. Say suppose you're watching YouTube पे भी आप वो कुछ चला लोगे, podcast या कौन है वो physics वाला people and all these people, and you'll just play that in the background. मतलब you have to constantly be surrounded with studies. You know, you always have to be surrounded with the idea of, okay, this topic, that topic. Either you're going to listen to a video about it, or you're going to listen to a podcast about it, or you're going to just you know, put on some kind of educational content about it. कुछ ना कुछ आपके reels में भी कुछ ना कुछ आता होगा. Maybe you are also like in your free time testing yourself कि, okay, do I remember this? Like in your free time, say suppose you you know, are watching some video, and if the question is there कि, okay, take out the solution of this thing, you are going to do this in your mind. But you are surrounded by that study that subject all the time, which is a way for you to feel confident. It's also a way for you to polish your skill sets, but it's also a way for you to calm yourself, calm your nerves, to be able to relax and chill. So your way of chilling also is consuming, studying, consuming information, consuming this. So, you know, I was watching this reel where this one person who had scored very good marks was saying कि आपको अपने पढ़ाई से टाइम निकालना टू फॉर अदर थिंग्स. आई थिंक दिस इज यू, कि आप अपने पढ़ाई के टाइम में से निकाल रहे हो टाइम, ओके, व्हेन टू ईट फूड, व्हेन टू स्लीप, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, रेस्ट ऑल आर पढ़ाई टाइम. यू नो, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग लाइक, दैट यू आर वेरी वेरी मोटिवेटेड. योर पीपल आर वेरी ब्राइट, वेरी मोटिवेटेड, वेरी ड्रिवन. मोटिवेशन की कभी प्रॉब्लम आई नहीं है. अगर आई भी है, सो इट हैज बीन ओनली वंस और ट्वाइस वेयर यू फेल्ट वेरी indecisive with what to do and what subject to pick up. But when you sit to study, you that nervousness or that indecision completely vanishes, and you're back to like being very very good, and you like you are that kind of a person who also rewards yourself. मतलब you reward yourself. अगर आपने कुछ अच्छा preparation करी है, तो you really do reward yourself by taking a break, relaxing, enjoying that, you know, reaping the fruits of labor that you've done. कि say suppose if you have you know, prepared very well or whatever, if you've given a good attempt, जो भी है, you do not you know, you do not like go very very ballistic and be like, अच्छा और मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, और मुझे पढ़ाई नहीं. You're like, ठीक है, आज के लिए बहुत है, लेट मी जस्ट टेक लिटिल बिट ऑफ आइसक्रीम खा लेती हूँ या खा लेता हूँ, या रसमलाई खा लेती हूँ या खा लेता हूँ, या कुछ स्वीट खाऊंगी मैं, टू जस्ट रिजॉइस इट. सो आई फील लाइक यू ऑल्सो गिव योर सेल्फ रिवॉर्ड्स व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग. लाइक आई थिंक दिस रिवॉर्ड सिस्टम कुड बी वेरी वेल कि हाँ, अगर मैंने ये सब्जेक्ट पिकअप कर लिया तो मैं अपना आसान वाला सब्जेक्ट करूंगी या करूंगा. लाइक इफ आई टैकल अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक टुडे, देन आई विल रिवॉर्ड माई सेल्फ विद अ सिंपल टॉपिक, सो दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस अप्रोच. मतलब आई एम फीलिंग लाइक यू आर गिविंग जेन्युइनली अपने तरफ से. आप जो भी कर सकते हो ना, आप कर रहे हो. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि like you are not being fickle about it. मतलब आप you are genuinely trying your level best कि जहाँ से भी कुछ भी हो सकता था मैं अपना preparation correctly दूंगा. And I think I can see that happening also. You guys are actually wanting also to go abroad. Some of you are really planning to go abroad, or you're interested in studying from colleges that are not in India, which is also a very good sign. So people who are giving entrances in places that are away from India, really good sign. I think you can really do it. The only place that I will say that you are going to be like you are having an issue or having a problem is your emotions. I think आप अपने emotions को थोड़ा दबा रहे हो. I think you are very focused on the idea of preparation and your motivation and all of that. You're not looking as to how you're feeling emotionally, which is exactly opposite of the pile number one. Pile number one were too emotional, and I think you are kind of closing your emotions down. You're not emotional about things. You are being like very, I think that you are being a little rude with people also. Not rude, but you're like cutting off people. You're like I don't want this. I don't want to entertain anything that irritates my brain, irritates my heart. You're having a very strong heart chakra, almost on a level where it is getting closed. So it's like you are not entertaining anybody, anything, and you are kind of shutting people out also, which can be a good thing. Honestly, abhi ke liye it works for you. If it works for you, it works for you. That's great. But yes, there are places where you have to be able to kind of be focusing on your other life as well, your personal life as well. Honestly, I'm not going to say that it's going to be a big issue ki haan, you're not emotionally opening up yourself. Well, you don't have time for bullshit, basically. You are very particular about the time that you spend, and you're like, if I'm having my free time, I'm not going to cater to other people's shit. That's why I think that you are purposely removing people who are energy vampires. Matlab, if you have a friend also who just keeps on talking about boys, or like say suppose you have a girlfriend and you're a girl and only keeps talking about boys, you're like, bhai abhi nahi baat karni mujhe, please कुछ और topic पे बात करने के लिए. Like you are like that कि you are not wanting to entertain random इधर उधर की बातें. मतलब आपको सिर्फ बातें पेलना, सॉरी फॉर माई लैंग्वेज, वो पसंद नहीं है कि पते की बात करो उसके बाद निकलो. यू डोंट वांट ऐसे इधर उधर की बातें वगैरह वगैरह. आपके पास वो टाइम नहीं है. So that is what I can see. Let's see. Sorry, let's see. What is the advice for you? Okay, so what is the advice? So like right off the bat, I see good energies for you. ऐसा कुछ problem तो दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे. So let's see how you are preparing. So let's see how are your preparations going. Sorry, what you should be focusing on. So your preparations have gone well. So what you should be focusing on. What should you be focusing on? Sorry. Ooh. Nice, good energies. I think that what you need to focus on first and foremost is to, again, like I would say that do the topics or do the subjects that you are feeling like, okay, this is slipping out of your hands. कि जो भी topics आपको नहीं, like either the topics that are slipping out of your hand या the topics that you are overly obsessive about. कि हाँ ये topic तो मैं बहुत ही obsessed हूँ and I'm doing it over and over again. I think you need to focus on those topics, or you need to redo them, or you need to revisit them, because there's something that your preparation is telling me कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा, either you are becoming extremely over possessive about that subject, or you're holding on to that subject, or you're holding on to that topic, and it's kind of giving you a little bit of nervousness. So I think you need to tackle that. Okay. And also, like, second thing which is very important is that refocus on your like on your dreams. Like I feel like this has to do with how you feel about the examination internally. Like I feel like you should sit with your parents and really talk to them about this examination and really get that inspiration from them. Tell them that, like, ask them ki, what do you feel about my preparation? Are you proud of me? Are you going to be there for me if I crack it or if I don't crack it? Like, feed that energy off of your family, because your parents or family members or whatever, they are really giving you a lot of blessings. You're having a lot of blessings from your ancestors, also from people who love you. Your loved ones are giving you a lot of blessings, and I think you need to you need to see it with your own eyes. I think you need to witness it. I need you to open your arms and eyes to the fact that you are being very, very protected, that you're being very, like, you're having that positivity around you, and I want you guys to channelize that positivity, to take it in, to receive that positivity, because your parents are always there for you, like your family, friends, whatever. Even if they are kind of giving you pressure, जो भी है, that they're saying कि ठीक है कर लेना अच्छे से बेटा, आप हमारा एक इकलौता चिराग हो, जो भी है XYZ, but they are wishing very well for you, and they are giving you their luck, they are giving you their positivity, and I want you guys to open up yourself to that. I also think that you should be more focused on polishing your subjects. So kahin na kahin there are certain things that you are having a good hold over, but when it comes to the depth of it, you kind of can get a little fragile. I would say not, I'll not say that you're unprepared. It's a little bit of fragility that you need to focus on. कि थोड़ा depth में पढ़ाई करना है, थोड़ा सा, like you have to dive little deeper, especially the topics that are difficult for you, especially the topics that are kind of a little bit of a icky area for you. I think you need to dive slightly more deeper into it. I also feel like you should, like, I don't know why I'm getting this energy, but I think that you should also revisit your grandparents' place. I don't know why I'm getting that energy, but revisiting your grandparents' place or surrounding yourself with your grandparents, specifically grandparents, is something that you should do. Maybe this will help you, or maybe this will give you a sense of motivation. I don't know, but I'm getting that energy. So superb. Page of wands क्यों आ रहे हैं मेरे पास यार? What is this page energy? I think that you need to be able to actually, like, refine your skill sets, or refine your subjects, or refine and polish yourself, or be open to new concepts. That could also be there. कि different जगह से पढ़ने की कोशिश करना. अगर आपने say suppose अपना best दिया है and अपने सारे subjects अच्छे से पढ़ लिए हैं, अपने सारे topics अच्छे से cover कर लिए हैं. Say suppose somebody is giving their board examinations and you have done all the NCERT subjects. Now be open to different books. Now be open to different authors, right? Same for people who are giving NEET. If you have prepared everything from your own space, from your own institution, which is a lot, but if you have done that, then try to get subjects, or try to get information from other people, from other authors, so be open to now new information. I think you are ready for it. I will not say that only focus on your own topics, on your own subjects. I think that you're ready to take that kind of a jump where you can be open and receptive of other concepts also. That's why, and I think that is what you're doing also. कि जैसे मैंने बोला आपको कि even in your free time you're gaining different knowledges from different resources, maybe your reels, maybe your YouTube, maybe some places, some books, etc. So I would say that also. And very importantly, be open to meeting people and talking about your examinations topic, talking about your preparation. I don't want you guys to sit in one corner and only prepare. I think you need to go out, meet people, go outside your home, talk to people, like go on, like go on these platforms, whatever, maybe, I don't know, Reddit, Quora, जो भी होता है, and वहाँ पे बात करो कि okay, how your preparations are going, what you're doing. Really go out there and explore and socialize, and ask how other people are preparing, and maybe feed off from them also. Ki, what do you think about this topic? What do you think about this topic? So I think that kind of stepping out of your not comfort zone, but now that you have prepared well, maybe you're open to now studying better, right? So that is what I'm getting. 5 wands, same, that card that had come to pile number 1 also. I would say again, like, the reason why you should step out of your comfort zone, or you should meet people, is also to see how your competitors are doing. So really, like, actually, like, asking your competitors how you're doing and having like that healthy competition will be very, very good for you. Anything else? Yeah, 8 of Swords, very important energy. I think no space of feeling nervous, no space of feeling frustrated. Break free from your shackles. I think there is no need for you at all to get bothered and affected. अगर आपको कोई भी place में ऐसा feel हो रहा है कि you are feeling nervous, or you're feeling burdened, or you're feeling a sense of vulnerability नहीं होनी चाहिए यहाँ पे. Like, you don't have to be vulnerable at all. You're very strong, you're mentally prepared, you're mentally very, very strong, smart, agile. You can do it. You're emotionally very, very equipped. I know you're very, very young. मतलब you might be in your teenager years, मतलब बहुत ही छोटे हो आप, to be able to get into a place which is so high pressure, high voltage energy, and you're so young. Some of you might be older, but trust me that you have the right brain skills, and you can really, like, don't ever think that you're not like that you're alone. You have your support around you. Aap kar paoge. You just have that faith. You'll be able to clear it very, very well. Okay. So that is what is coming to me. Anything else that I need to talk to you about? Anything else? Ouch. Anything else that I need to talk to you about? Oh, okay. Wait, what? Too many cards. Okay, 1 second. Introspection. Yeah, definitely. I think that you need to introspect about what how you're preparing, what you're preparing, what is the feeling that you're getting, what kind of a zone you are in. आपको ये सब थोड़ा introspect करना पड़ेगा ही पड़ेगा. Don't be complacent is what I'm trying to say. Like completely introspect how and why you're doing what you're doing, and have that kind of a humility which you're having. But I want to reiterate it even more. Okay. Anything else? Arey bhai, so many cards are falling. One second, huh? Anything else? Balance को restore करना है, definitely. Absolutely. Someone watches you quietly. I think, yeah, somebody will be watching you quietly. So I don't think that you should tell a lot about your preparation. Don't reveal a lot about how you're preparing, where you're preparing, whom you're preparing from. But ज़्यादा information मत दो. Just say that, okay, my preparations are going well. Don't let other people get that kind of a feeling कि हाँ, okay, you're confident. Don't, नजर लग जाएगी आपको. Okay. Certain plans that you have in the future, in the upcoming days or months, will change unexpectedly. Some plans that you're having, maybe of going out, meeting people, I think that will change. So keep that in mind. The moment aligns. This moment will align for you. You're in alignment for sure. There's no two ways about it. जो भी आप feel कर रहे हो वो एकदम alignment में है. So don't think too much. Okay, you're feeling steady. That kind of a sense of steadiness is also there, which is very good. Anything else? भाई दोनों कार्ड निकाल लेती हूँ. Okay, an answer will arrive late. So I think that any kind of a answer that you're trying to get, or maybe you're waiting for a result, maybe it will come late. It will not come immediately. आपको immediately नहीं मिलेगा वो answer जो आपको चाहिए. So maybe the results will come late, or maybe you are going to be in a little bit of overthinking energy. Money will become better for you. I don't know why this is coming to me. Confusion will fade. Yes, definitely. कोई confusion थी, frustration था, that will completely fade away. Money stability, maybe that is coming from maybe for your parents, or maybe for you also personally. If you're having worries about finances, then they will get stabilized for sure. And I think that the approach that you're having will be very good. So yeah, I think that is what it is. Anything else that I want to take out? Let's see from here. Let's see what else is coming to you from my side. Okay. Like I feel like maybe you are confused about, okay, what do I need to do now? What do I need to do next? कैसे मैं और better prepare कर सकती हूँ? क्या मैं कर सकती हूँ? I think वो सब आपको result में आ जाएगा. So that confusion will fade away. I think there's an energy where you have to be very, very, very aligned. You have to be very honest and truthful with yourself, and get rid of any kind of gadgets. Gadgets के around मत रहना. Like gadgets, when I say gadgets, I mean like idiot box, right? Don't like that. The approach that you're having ki, ठीक है, even in entertainment time I'm watching something educational, I think that is the best approach. Don't feed your mind with bakwas. So don't watch these Splitsvilla things and Big Boss things and all that. That's what I'm trying to say. Idiot box ko avoid karna hai. And I'm sure some of you do watch that show, but don't watch that. And here with that hexagram, I definitely feel like there are places where there is a sense of comfort. There's a sense of star quality that you do possess. That kind of a, you have that kind of a striking एनर्जी दैट यू, आपको देख के पता चल सकता है कि यार ये कुछ करेगा, ये कुछ लाइफ में करेगा, ये कुछ लाइफ में करेगी. तो फीड इनटू दैट एनर्जी इवन मोर. आई थिंक दैट यू हैव द पोटेंशियल, यू हैव द एनर्जी, बट दैट स्टार क्वालिटी हैज टू कम फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ एक्चुअली डूइंग वेरी वेल फॉर योरसेल्फ. सो रियली that is very, very important. Like you have to be able to approach that energy in a very optimistic, in a very honest, and in a very truthful manner, right? So that is what is coming to me. Now let's see whether you're going to clear your examination or not. So I have my dice here, dice divination, and we're going to simply see a yes no energy of whether you're going to pass your examination or whether you're going to fail. Okay, so yes or no energy will be, so are you passing, yes or no? Are you clearing your examination, yes or no? Let's see. So I have my dice here. What is this? 6. All right. Yes, of course, you're going to clear it. Very good energies. 6 number is a fantastic number. Again, both the piles have gotten very good energies. Pile number 1 had got good luck for you. It's of course you're going to crack it. So वहाँ पे तो luck था, यहाँ पे तो of course भी आपको luck की भी जरूरत नहीं है. आपका preparation ही इतना तगड़ा है, आपका approach ही इतना तगड़ा है. आपको honestly, this tarot reading is not anything new. I think you just need that kind of a sense of, yeah, you're going in the right direction. यही है तात्पर्य इस पूरे reading का. But yes, of course, you're going to crack it. I don't think that there is anything that is making me doubt also with the cards that have come into you. The advice is also very, very strong. Advice भी ऐसी advice है कि भाई हाँ, okay, और कर लो थोड़ा. ऐसी advice आ रही है. Balance restore हो रहा है. Introspective energy आ रही है. The moment is aligning for you. So wherever you're heading, it's going in the right direction. Maybe that feeling is very, very scary for you कि हाँ यार मेरे को वापस देना है. Maybe frustration is there, nervousness is there. That kind of a a feeling of dejection is there, but that feeling is a feeling. But what we know and what I as a psychic tarot reader can see is that you are really doing well. I mean, there's like, it's pointless to worry so much. I mean, not pointless, but आप इतना worry करो मत, because आप अच्छा ही करोगे. तो yes, of course you're gonna crack it. It's a very good energy. Have that kind of belief, have that kind of faith, and trust this reading, and definitely give your best. I wish you all the very best, and please do give your all and let me be correct, right? Let me be accurate, right? So yeah, please do claim this energy in the comment section below. Let me know if this resonated, if this made sense. If you would like to watch anything else, let me know in the comment section below. And definitely like this video if this helped. And do subscribe. I'm very close to hitting 10,000. So I really want you guys to give me that subscriber click. Just with one single click. It's free of cost. Please do that. And let me know what you want to watch next. And definitely hype this video and press the bell icon, because I upload really regularly. And thank you so much for all the love and all the support. And I'll see you in the next time. Bye.